Come test drive the 2025 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.